Yiddish is, and Jewish studies more generally, but Yiddish is, for me, one of my major, I don't know what the right word is, avenues of Jewish identity, because I'm still not much of a shul goer. I suppose I will be eventually when it's time for my children to go to um, Hebrew school. So, I'll do that. It'll be fine. I'm not against it, so it's okay. It's not a hard decision for me to make. I'm just trying to say that it's not a major part of, religion's not a major part of my life. Um, and Israel's still very much an interest of me, but I don't live in Israel. So what is the focus of my Jewish identity today in the United States? It's what I study, and Yiddish is the most Jewish aspect of what I study. So it's yes, it's very deeply personal. It's personal in that sense. It's my Jewish practice in a lot of ways. I don't know if I'm unique in that way. I think there's probably a lot of people who more or less feel the same way. I don't know. I think so, but so it's so there's this personal dimension to it.